Hi there! In this video I will show you how to use Paid Budget template, which includes a full paid budgeting dashboard and a powerful smart bill calendar. This template comes in several color themes, but the functionality is the same for all versions. So in this video we will walk through everything using one color theme. Start by choosing the month from the drop-down. Click on the month name and select the one you are budgeting for. Next, enter the start and end dates for your budgeting period. This can be any interval you prefer, weekly, bi-weekly or by paycheck. Below the budget period, enter your currency symbol. It will update across the entire template. If you have leftover money from your previous period, enter it in the rollover field. This amount will be added to your starting balance. The template includes several paid-related groups: income, paid savings and goals, recurring paid bills, paid expenses, and debts. You can edit or rename categories in each group to match your pet's need. Under the expected column, and the amount you plan to spend or save for each category. Scroll to the bottom of the budget tab to find the transactions list. This is where you record all actual spending and payments. Every transaction needs the following fields: dates, transaction type, category, amount, and description. It's optional. Start by selecting the transaction type. After that, the category dropdown will show only the categories that belong to that type. All actual values in the main budget tables update automatically. On the right side of the transaction list, you will find the budget notes section. Simple space to plan, reflect, and stay organized. There are three main blocks: money goals, write what you want to achieve this month; to-do list, add budgeting tasks and reminders; spending notes, write reasons for overspending or saving. Next, go to the calendar tab and set up your month. Choose the month, year, and start day of the week. In the sheet name field, enter the name of your monthly budget sheet, for example, budget. In the paydays table, enter the days you receive income and the amount for each payday. Once you enter the date and amount, your payday will automatically appear on the calendar with a money back icon. The calendar entries table shows all paid-related bills and debts. When you mark a bill as paid in the budget tab, a check mark appears on the calendar for that item. Color legend: red text, overdue bills; orange text, bills due soon within the next 3 days; black text, upcoming bills. All your paid bills and debts automatically appear on the calendar on their due dates. Each day shows income for the day, scheduled bills, and their current status. Today's date is highlighted on the calendar with a darker background. This helps you quickly see what requires attention today. When your budgeting period ends, you can easily start the next month. Right-click the budget tab and select duplicate. Then clear the transaction and enter new budget amount. You can also duplicate the calendar tab to track all months in the same file. You can purchase this paid budget template in my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting!